हाय गाइस, गुड आफ्टरनून। आज हम पढ़ेंगे चिकन पॉक्स। चिकन पॉक्स कैसे होता है हमारे बॉडी में, इनका सिम्टम क्या है, इसका ट्रीटमेंट क्या है, एवरीथिंग। लेट्स स्टार्ट। चिकन पॉक्स क्या है? चिकन पॉक्स इज कॉज्ड बाय ए वायरस कॉल्ड वेरिसेला जोस्टर। चिकन पॉक्स का कॉज क्या है? ये वायरस है जिसे वेरिसेला जोस्टर भी कह सकते हैं। People who get the virus often develop a rash of spots that look like blisters all over their bodies. The blisters are small and sit on an area of red skin that can be anywhere, and they are of varying size. Chickenpox, also known as varicella DNA virus, most common in the winter and spring. Varicella zoster virus. Varicella zoster virus, also known as human herpes virus 3, belongs to the herpes family. The envelope is interpreted by spikes made up of viral glycoprotein. The varicella zoster virus genome is developed strand DNA coiled upon a protein axis. अब इसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? ये दिस स्ट्रक्चर है। इसके अपर जो ये पॉइंट है ये ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन स्पाइक्स है, ये जो स्पाइक बना हुआ है, और इसके नीचे एक लिपिड एनवेलप है, और फिर इसके अंदर टेग्यूमेंट, फिर न्यूक्लियो कैप्सिड, और फिर डीएनए जो है डबल स्टैंडर्ड डीएनए जीनोम। इसका सिम्टम क्या है? सिम्टम है लॉस ऑफ एपिटाइट, कोल्ड, फीवर, abdominal pain, headache, general feeling of illness, rash, fatigue, sore throat. Fever may be high for first few days. डायग्नोसिस टू टाइप के होते हैं। बाय साइन एंड सिम्टम देखेंगे एंड लैब डायग्नोसिस देखेंगे। लैब डायग्नोसिस यूजुअली नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, बट इफ रिक्वायर्ड देयर आर सम टेस्ट्स। Most required source of isolation is a vesicular fluid. Stained smears from vesicular scarping. Serology test for varicella, IgM antibody. ELISA test is also useful. Etiology. Varicella zoster virus can cause two distinct lesions: chickenpox primary lesion and herpes zoster reactivation lesion. Incubation period is 2 weeks. Most contagious. Ubiquitous. Less severe than smallpox. Young children generally have either no or a very mild affected. Pathogenesis क्या है इसका? Days 0 to 3 infection of conjunctivated and mucosa of their upper respiratory tract. Viral replication in regional lymph node. ये फेरिंग्स है, ये एपिग्लोटिस, लैरिंग्स, ब्रोंचस, ये अपर वाला है रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट। जो हम लोग बात कर रहे 0 to 3 इन्फेक्शन ऑफ कंजक्टिवा एंड म्यूकोसा ऑफ द अपर रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट। अपर रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट कहाँ है? फेरिंग्स, लैरिंग्स, एपिग्लोटिस, नेसल कैविटी, ऑरल कैविटी, टंग, ये पूरा इस पार्ट को हम लोग अपर रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट कहेंगे, जहाँ हम लोग देखते हैं इलार्जिया, लिम्फ नोड और स्वेल ग्लैंड्स हो जाते हैं। अब स्टेज 4 to 6 प्राइमरी वेरीमिया, वायरल इन्फेक्शन इन लीवर में होता है, वायरल इन्फेक्शन स्प्लीन एंड अदर ऑर्गन्स में भी होता है। डेज 10 to 12 सेकेंडरी वेरीमिया, डेज 14 इन्फेक्शन ऑफ स्किन एंड अपीयरेंस ऑफ वेसिकुलर रेश। First exposure. Body first exposed creates antibodies IgM, IgG, IgA. B and T memory cells are also created. If the virus is in the body again, the memory cells will detect it. This will help a faster response. If there is a second exposure, memory cell will stimulate to create antibodies. Transmission acquired by inhaling virus containing particles trapped in teeny droplets, released into the air from the nose or throat of an infected person. The virus enters the body by infecting cells in the respiratory tract. वायरस इंटर करता है बॉडी में इन्फेक्टेड सेल इन द रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट में. It spreads to many other parts of the body including the skin where it causes the characterized rash. A person with chickenpox is contagious first to second days before the rash appear and until all blisters have formed scabs. It max from 10 to 21 days after an infected person for someone to develop chickenpox. Stages of chickenpox. Incubation period usually 14 to 17 days. Prodrome 1 to 10 days. 1 to 3 days. Prodrome 1 to 3 days. Vesicles, pustules, scabs and recovery typically 7 days after rash appears. Oral manifestation. Small blister-like lesions occasionally involve the oral side mucosa, chiefly the buccal mucosa, tongue, gums and palate as well as the mucosa of the pharynx. The mucosal lesion initially slightly raised vesicles with a surrounding erythema. Rupture soon after formation and formed small eroded ulcers with red margin. These lesions are not particularly painful. Complication. Bacterial infection of lesion, pneumonia, hospitalization 3 per 1000 cases, death 1 per 60,000 cases. Central nervous system involvement होता है leads to encephalitis, transverse myelitis, Reye's syndrome, myocarditis, nephritis, arthritis. Increased risk of complication. Normal adults, immune compromised person and pregnant women. Chickenpox during pregnancy may result congenital varicella syndrome, severe varicella syndrome, risk of neonatal death. Treatment. Drugs used in the treatment of chickenpox are antiviral drugs, antihistamines, antipyretics. Commonly used drugs is acyclovir available as Jovirex in the market. Famiclovir available as Famvir. Foscarnet available as Foscovir. Antiviral medicine can be taken orally, intravenously or applied on the skin. These are prescribed to people with long-term illness. Impaired immune system, pregnant women. Also other drugs are given to reduce fever, cold, itching, irritation of the rash, sore throat, etc. प्रिवेंट कैसे करेंगे, इसको रोकेंगे कैसे, प्रिवेंट कैसे करेंगे? चिकन पॉक्स आर वेरिसेला वैकिन्स प्रोटेक्ट 70 to 90% of those people who are vaccinated. Varicella vacans contain करता live virus and so is not recommended to children having compressed immune system or severe illness. The vaccines should not be given to children who are allergic to neomycin or gelatin. This vaccine is given to adults which also prevents shingles. Side effect of vaccines is redness or soreness at the site of injection. Chickenpox vaccine dose and chickenpox vaccine age. First dose chickenpox vaccine dose में first dose chickenpox vaccine age में first dose कितना एज में दिया जाता है वैक्सीन? 12 to 15 month of एज में. सेकेंड डोज कब दिया जाता है? 4 to 6 years of age may be given earlier. Minimum gap of 3 months after the first dose. People not been vaccinated earlier or chickenpox vaccines for adults. People 13 years of age and older should get two doses at least 28 days apart. Treating chickenpox with folk medicine. Aloe vera, garlic, valerian, lemon, ginger, calendula, echinacea. Treating chickenpox with scientific medicine. Tylenol, claritin, calamine lotion, Benadryl, Zyrtec. Thank you.